This is a little bit diagram. Now, I think I'll not show you this. I will go to the real dashboard. Yeah, so this is for example, just a case for our case study. We assume that, okay, one company has a wind farm in Oslo. Maybe they have a battery plant in Stockholm. They have some other operations going on in Germany or UK. And then we have a consolidated dashboard KPIs for management, where they see for last quarter, or whatever time they want to see what is the performance, efficiency, how much we are producing at a very high level, and it can be changed to the use cases. So we can drill down and go into particular facility. Then we can see, okay, what is happening there. It's very, very good for a farm manager, for example, a manager's point of view, that what is going on, and they can select the timeline from here, right? So we can say that, okay, what is going on in the last 1 hour. Then we can connect all the data, show to them, and we can clearly see that there is some problem with the wind turbine one. It is alert here. So all this, what it means, that if there is an alarm, if there is any abnormality, we can actually connect ERP systems and create a task for our team that some problem is there. So just assign it based on data, and that would means that we can automate all the workflow from here. Yes, I see a question, Carl. Maybe you can.
Yeah, thank you. Calling Stensland, COO, Runbase here. I was just curious, how do you actually model this turbine? How do you create the digital twin representation? Are you going to show that?
This is the CAD model. So this is the CAD model. So we have a CAD model. I'm not showing everything here. Maybe I can show you a little bit. I'll show you the real thing. Then maybe after I finish this presentation, I can show you how we are modeling it, how we are modeling the assets, and how we are composing this. So I can go in behind the scene as well. This is for the manager and end product for the managers, or for the operators.
Understand. Okay. That's totally fine.
Yeah. So then we are fetching external data. This is not internal IT data, but external data. You can choose, different entities from here. So, okay, so we have a problem with this turbine, and the model will look as customer provide. It could be CAD model, or it could be virtual reality, or it could be video feed live. We can enable everything. Okay, so we go to this is the farm manager's dashboard. Probably we go to the next level. This is a real one wind turbine level, which operators find helpful. So this is ERP data. We can show all the maintenance history, who's responsible for this wind turbine, when we bought it, whatever is possible. It's possible to actually link with this. So we can dwell into each equipment and its performance. So we see, okay, let's troubleshoot. So we have model, right? So we can go inside. Let me find a little bit closer view. So right now I can actually take away all the models. So something is wrong with the gearbox, because with the IoT we have done some rules. If then if the values are not normal, then we kind of simulate this, where the problem is. So the complex equipment, we can actually fine tune where is the problem for the operator to understand, right? So this is what actually the promise of digital twin is, to give a visual context and troubleshoot the problem. And here it seems like some torque has a problem, because it's not enough torque, and that's why it is giving a problem. So the operator or the mechanic would know what could be a problem relating with the visual context and with the IoT data. Then they can troubleshoot, and we can automate the whole process as well with integration of the ERP applications. Yeah, so that was essentially what I want to demonstrate with this dashboard. But again, all these things can be embedded in your applications. Share, we have this embedded links, and you can embed in your HTML. All this dashboard can be directly imported into the end application, even RAM-based, which is using web technologies. We can embed everything either panel by panel or component by component. And everything is built in. This is Grafana is open source technology. So we're using a lot of open source so that we have a flexibility to customers to provide a custom solution for our clients. If they want a really rich visualization, we have partnership with Matterport. If they want to use CAD models, so whatever models they want to use, we can use those. Yeah, can I go back to the PowerPoint now, or do you have any more questions here? Okay, I move forward. So then what we are looking is for collaboration, as I told you in the beginning, because we really want to partner with existing traditional businesses who understand traditional businesses, their pain areas, because it's not a straightforward journey for an organization to transform digitally. So how we prescribe it, or it's a AWS prescription, that the first step would be to bring all these visual models, do the modeling, connect with IoT data. So we can assume that could be the first step. And then the next step, we enrich those models with the ERP or external or internal data, and we can automate all the business processes if there is any abnormality or other things. So once we have all this information rich in the cloud, because then you have business process automation, you have so all these things are improving efficiency in today's organization. But if you want to leverage predictive maintenance or Gen AI, or then we have all the data which is modeled, all the relationships are established. So the use of Gen AI becomes more powerful in this context. So the third level would be, once we have enough data, then we can explore the use cases of predictive maintenance or Gen AI to even empower businesses. And level 4 is actually very a digital twin which adopts, which you can actually, it's very advanced. So we are just focusing on first 3. I think it's a good start. Any question here? I hope it's clear. Yeah, so now it's a matter of 3D model. So we have partnership with Matterport. 3D model can be clients their own 3D models from their repository, or we can capture, we sell hardware. So these are, some are lidar cameras, some are infrared cameras, some are fast cameras to capture. You can capture from your mobile phone as well with Matterport. So if somebody does not have a model, if they want to make a digital twin of their assembly lines, we can actually capture the assembly lines, and they get a real, very real digital twin of their facilities as well. Yeah. So this is how we can arrange a digital, the visual 3D model. So next is actually the package. So we have organized this into 3 parts. So the level 1 is a basic twin, where we can set up. So this is one of the setup charges are there. This is especially for RAM-based, this presentation. So we can set up the project, that's one-time cost, and rest would be the monthly recurring cost. And it would include all the licenses in AWS, or all the cloud consumption in AWS and Matterport licenses. So if somebody arranges that, we can actually arrange Matterport models or user CAD models. We can model their assets and connect all the IoT devices. We can create a Grafana dashboard for up to 3 users within 1 month. And then if somebody wants to integrate ERP solutions, so we can integrate ERP solutions as well and other solutions as well. We can do business process integration. For example, if there is any IoT is giving an error, we can create a ticket in RAM-based tasks, somewhere which is relevant to that business process, and advances to having use cases of machine learning and AI or simulations. Right. So I'll share this with you, and I hope if there is any question, please let me know. Okay.
I think that was quite clear. I haven't been in this discussion before, but have you sort of discussed this? So have we discussed